Hello, my name is Eduardo Noel. It is May 29, 2020. This video experiment for week 3 is bacterial morphology and staining techniques for exercise 2, differential stain for bio 225. So for this experiment, sorry, you need to adjust the camera. It's asking me label the end of the blanks with E. coli with the permanent marker. So that's what I'm gonna do right here. E. coli. And then with the permanent, flip this slide over and draw a dime-sized circle on underside of the slide. Not again. Messed up, made it smaller. So here's E. coli with the small. I had to redo it again. Now it says activate, gather the active E. coli broth and inculation loop. So here is my E. coli broth, and here's a inculation loop. Sterilize the inculation loop by placing it in a cup of alcohol for 30 seconds. So here's my alcohol, here's my cup. So I'll sterilize it for 30 seconds. While I'm doing that, I'll get my candle ready. Oops. All right, it's been over 30 seconds ready. Oh. There you go. All right, so it wants me to shake, remove the loop and shake to dry. All right, hold it there. Grab my E. coli. And then they want me to pass the lid through the flames of my candle to sterilize it. So the flames is right here. Sorry, can't get the camera. So I'm gonna sterilize it. There you go, it's all burnt already from all the previous sterilization. All right, and then carefully insert the broth, transfer the liquid adhering to the loop over the dime circle on the label side of the slide. See figure 19. All right, here we go. E. coli, double check. All right, so the loop is in. Here's the E. coli. and then flame that broad tube before replacing the cap, sterilizing it. All right, I'll let it cool for a second. Oh. And allow the slide to completely air dry. All right, then it says heat fix the sample by holding it sample side up with the cloth spin or two clamp while passing above the flames for 5 times. And then it says, note, do not hold the slide directly to the flame. Too much heat will destroy the sample and potentially break the slide. So my clamp is right here. Oh, it's not dry yet. So I'm just gonna let it air dry. All right. Sorry if this video is gonna take a while because there's 3 samples total. Well, while I'm letting it air dry, I'm gonna do the other 2. So I don't waste your time. Then I'll draw a circle in the back of both of them. And here are the 2 I have. Grab another, what is this called? Inculation loop. Here is my epidermatitis. So making sure this is the right one. Sterilize the lid with the flame. Put my inculation loop inside without touching the tip. Alright. And put it on the dime circle. Let it air dry. Sterilize it with the candle. All right. Then place it back with the lid. So I'm gonna let that air dry for a moment. This is Cerevisia. Sorry for, can't pronounce the name correctly. Sterilizing the lid. Grab my inculation loop. Grab the samples. And I will dispose the inoculation loop. Sterilize the lids. Seal the lids. I sterilized all the inoculation loop for 30 seconds. Some of them were longer because I just left it in the cup. So now the E. coli should be air dried. Pass it over the flame. Oops. Not with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And I will let the slide cool down. This one is still wet. This one should still be wet too. So I'm just going to let it air dry for a moment. All right, let's see if it's air dry. A couple more, few more, like a minute or so. Oops, I had to relit the candle. All right, and this is oops. All right, over the flame. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it cool. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll let that cool. Then, so I repeat the slides. Place us. Sorry, it's the AC. It's kind of warm this morning. So it wants me to put it on the tray, the staining tray. All right, right here. Staining tray. So we'll start with the E. coli, since it should be cool for a while already. Add 1 or 2 drops of crystal violet. All right. Here's the crystal violet. Wait 60 seconds. Alright. One should be good enough. It covered a whole circle. Wait 60 seconds. And then once 60 seconds says, gently rinse the slide with tap water over the staining tray. All right, not a problem. And let me read the second direction and then add drops, okay? Pour the content of the staining. Okay, then pour the content of the staining tray down the middle of a drain and return the slide to the tray. All right. And then add 2 to 3 drops of PVP iodine gram stain number 2. One, 2, 3. Wait 60 seconds. 60 seconds and gently rinse the slide and return it to the straightening tray. All right. All right, so I will rinse this. Okay. Returning it to the staining tray, and then it says add 2-3 drops of decolorized gram stain number 3. All right, that's 3 drops. Wait for 30 seconds and rinse it. Oh, 15, it's 35, okay. All right, now we'll rinse it. And that was the decolorize. Now they asked me 2-3 drops of safranin, grab stain number 4, and wait 30 seconds. One, 2, 3. Then I'll wait 30 seconds. And place the slide on a paper towel and allow it to dry completely. Repeat steps 14 to 20 for the remaining 2 slides. All right, time to rinse. And it says, place the slide on a paper towel and allow it to completely dry. So that's gonna take some time, and I'm gonna repeat I'm gonna do the same thing for the other 2 specimens. And once I have everything up and running, and I'll do a video for the grading. Thank you.